Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Trisawati and
My friends, my name is Masa Ayu. In here we are want to make video about a book and film. Part 1. Do you like to read book?
yes, I love reading. I like nothing more than to be immersed in good book. Regularly take out book from the library and slowly read the from cover to cover and time and can to go to sleep night without some good bedtime reading. How often do you go the cinema?
Unfortunately, we don't have a cinema near here where we have to go into the nearest town to get a flat movie. I usually avoid seeing popular box office hits, which I'm not always can be seeing. I prefer low budget films, sci-fi especially, and there's a great cinema I go to the has have frequent showing and or film like that. Do you prefer reading books or watching films?
I'm not really a big reader. I find book with heavy going, so I much prefer to see film because the special effect of the soundtrack. I don't know, just prefer a film.
Okay, part two. Describe a book you have read or a film you have seen. You shall say what this book or film was and when you read or saw it and why you decided to see that film or read the book and say if you enjoy it and why.
Pauline, I love reading, especially English novel. It's a great way to improve your vocabulary, and there are so many fantastic authors. Choose from one book that come like recommended by my teacher was a master break. I was studying at school in the UK at the time, and site was gave me picture of what life was like years ago in the area I was living. Well, I have to say absolutely loved it. It was really breakthrough. It's a historical novel, and the setting was a fictional town called Castlebridge, but actually it was bizarre and Tom was studying called Dorchester. It had such a great plot. To cut a long story short, it tells the story of the downfall of a man called Henkard, the central character who lives during a period of great social change around the time of the Industrial Revolution. The reason I enjoyed it so much, apart from the great story, it gave me a picture of the what life had been like in the place I was studying at the time. A really cool but a down fantastic story. Part 3. Oh, Examiner is reading a special in digital format.
Personally, I prefer reading a paperback or hardback, especially if I'm reading a class which I don't think so feel right as an ebook, but I can see it can be good for others. My grandmother has reading and she love the way you can declare the text.
Do you think bookshop will survive the digital revolution?
I think so. At last I have so I love freaking dark book in a bookshop. Online shop is useful. Of on Amazon if I book you one has good a book review. Maybe getting on the difficult to find, but I still love the experience of being in a bookshop.
Statistics show the defeated visits to the cinema are of describe the availability of DVD and online downloads. Why do you think this may be?
I think it is whole experience that the cinema offers. Going out to see films when I go to general research and seeing it the big screen is more excited that watching the film at home on TV. Especially if I action movie and watching it the other make it even more special. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.